To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner, to create a new Instagram story. You can capture a new photo or video, or you can choose any photo or video from your gallery. Now tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the new sticker, Add Yours Music. If you do not see the sticker, you need to update your Instagram app. Tap on it. Now tap on plus, Add Music to select a song from Instagram's music library. You can choose a music from the For You list. If you tap on Browse, you can choose a music from different categories. You can also search any music from the search bar. After selecting the song, tap on Done from the top right corner. The sticker has been applied. You can resize the sticker using your finger and place it anywhere in the screen by dragging. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen to share it with your followers. From the pop-up menu, tap Share. Your story has been updated. Check this out. Once you post your story, your friends will be able to add their own song, using the Add Yours button. So in this way, you can use the new Add Yours Music sticker on your Instagram story.